Okay, I'm going to show you how to set the temporary password even though you are not near to the door locks. Okay, you can just click the door locks. Right, so it will not connect to the locks because the connection is through the Bluetooth, or else you buy the Wi-Fi bridge. Okay, click the set. However, you set the temporary password, you don't require any connection to the door locks because it is offline code. Click the set. Okay, so there's a few choice. You click temporary password. Okay, scroll to the bottom, offline code, right? So one-time code is only used for a validity period. It's very short, like use only once. Okay, so usually Airbnb you choose this one, offline temporary code, but once you sell it, you need to use at least once within 24 hours. So for example, if you're setting on 21st January, even though today is not 21st, it's okay until 21st January. Once it valid, it have to use at least once to use the password. Okay, so click add, right? So you can choose the date that you want to be effective. You can set it in advance. Okay, so for example, today is 8, you can set it like 11. So on the 11, you have to use the password at least once. Okay, confirm, and you can even set the time at 11 p.m. and you can select the invalid time. Okay, confirm. So this is the 1 hour code, get code. Okay, so this code will be unlock, can be used to unlock the door. Okay, click copy. Right, you can go to your WhatsApp or wherever to copy the password. To unlock with the password, click the password and click the hash button on the door locks.